Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, make sure that you subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. So this video is yet another shopping video. So right now I've come to Tibet Mall, which is located in Koramangala 5th block opposite to Jyoti Nivas College, Bangalore. So this is the place how it looks. So if you get confused about the location, all you need to do is come near Jyoti Nivas College and straight opposite to that you can find the Tibet Mall. So this is the Jyoti Nivas College and opposite to that you can find Tibet Mall. So this is the entrance. So first let's go inside and check out what all they have. So I would suggest you all to go to the first store, which is towards the left, because these guys have an amazing collection. And the girl in the violet top, she is very friendly. If you have any queries regarding tops, jeans, she will definitely help you all. So they have great sale going on over here, starting from 50% off to 30%. And if you're in Bangalore, make sure that you visit Tibet Mall. So they have lot of collections in jeans, tops, dresses. So tip number 1, avoid shopping on weekends and no after 6 p.m. because these guys will be really busy. That means there's no scope for negotiation. They have lot of party wear collections over here and the prices are very reasonable. So these beautiful tops starts at rupees 599 to 399, 350. So now coming to some party wear dresses. So these are some party wear dresses which you can really afford in Tibet Mall. So these start at rupees just 599 and look at the designs. And all the clothes in Tibet Mall are not from India, they're from South Korea. They have lot of varieties. So just look at this beautiful crop top. So this is just for rupees 299 and they do have sale on that. Tip number 2. If you see the same thing in every single shop, make sure that you don't buy it because I'm sure you don't want to bump into someone on the street wearing the same thing. So all these shorts are just for rupees 250. So pick anything, it is just for 250 bucks. So in Tibet Mall, they have white collections in jeans and they have it in different shades. So all the jeans over here are stretchable. It can fit to anyone. So now coming to bags. So these are the sling bags. They have variety of collections in bags and they do have discount on bags which is 50% off. Tip number 3. If you really like something and if you think that you haven't seen something like this anywhere and if the quality is really good, I would really suggest you to negotiate a little bit and pick it up immediately. Because you cannot expect them to react like Commercial Street or Jayanagar Float Blog where you can quote your price and walk away. And it's not gonna happen. There is a scope for negotiation, probably 10 to 20%, and if you bargain something more than that, then they will really don't care. If you like something, I would suggest you to pick it up. So there's also a trial room in Tibet Mall, so don't worry about the trial room. So in Tibet Mall, they do have some beautiful shoes, flats and heels. So all of them are very affordable.
This one back. This one makeup box.
Makeup box, how much?
Makeup box is 1880.
Nice.
सब कोरिया से.
बहुत अच्छा.
ये भी आपका साइज है पूरा.
So when you enter the place, you can find many shops. So that was the shop number 1. And if you walk a little front, you can find shop 2, 3 and 4. So tip number 4, always check the quality of the products that you buy from here, because 30% of the time it's not really great. And yes, you do get for the price you pay, and I agree for it, but make sure you check the garments completely and thoroughly. Don't get cheated because sometimes they don't really exchange over here. So they have trendy collections of tops, shorts and everything. So this is the jumpsuit and it is just for rupees 500 bucks. So if you really like something over here, pick it up because these kind of collections you will never find anywhere else. So that is it in Tibet Mall. So most of you were requesting me to make a Tibet Mall video. So here it is. So I've been here for about 3 to 4 hours and I'm really starving a lot. So I just want to have something over here. So I just found the Golgappa, which is everyone's favorite. So here ends the video. I hope you all loved it. So if you have any queries regarding the location or anything, you can drop down a message in the comment section below, or else you can ping me on Instagram. And if you have any queries regarding the location, please check it in the description box. So thank you so much for watching this video. We'll meet you soon on the next video. Until then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.